Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is the last day of the month, August 31st, on a Thursday. And taking a look at the market, SPY's couple of impressive days, and we're gapping up a little bit today. This 450, I mentioned it yesterday, is a big pivot level. And we closed above it there, and let's see what the day brings. But what's looking pretty bullish as of this morning. Let's take a look at some possible setups here. Now, I mentioned Amazon. I'm still, like I said, I'm in this, and it's still on my radar. Once again, as you can see, this if I drew the downtrend line, it's trying to break this downtrend since earnings. So if it gets above this 20-period moving average, I think this sets up for a really good swing trade with a lot of potential to the upside. Same thing goes with ROKU. Okay, this has been on the list for a while, holding that 50-period moving average. You can see it stopped right at the 20 yesterday, and not only that, right at a couple of week high. So this one may be quick to go, and I'm above 81.50. I set an alert in there, but above 81.50, I think you could take a chance on something like ROKU with a tight stop if it falls back down into this range, or you could play it small and give yourself the 50 moving average there. However you want to play something like that. ACHR. This was one that's been kind of tough, nasty to trade, but if it does, I think this one you've got to let it get through the 750 level on that ACHR. Otherwise, it's still in this nasty little channel here. And last on the list, I believe today is, let's take a look at this TAST. And yeah, I'm kind of liking that, but still kind of right in the middle of its range. I think you still got to watch Yeti after earnings. You can see it did barely take out that high. Look for a continuation there in Yeti. A lot more on the list, guys. If you have trade ideas, you would have access to this in real time. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you on tomorrow.